Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math algebra problem. Here we have, this is nice algebraic expression 15 minus 9 times of 9 minus 15 is equals to what? We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So first we discuss the common mistakes which students can do in the exams. Students just solve this problem and he just directly subtract these values. You know that 15 minus 9 becomes here 6 times 9 minus 15 becomes here minus 6. So students will get its final answer is minus 36. But this is the wrong answer, or this is the wrong procedure to solve this problem. Okay, you cannot do these steps to solve this type of problem. So here in these types of problem, we will just use here the PEMDAS rule. Okay, so you very well know about the PEMDAS rule. Here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So we just obey the order of this operation from left side to the right side. So now we starting the solution from left to right. This means that we gives the first priority to the parentheses, and we give the second priority to the exponent, and we gives the you know about that the priority of multiplication and division are same. Similarly, the priority of addition and subtraction are also same. We gives the same priority to the multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. So in this way we just move from left to right to solve this problem. And now we copy down given question statement. Here it is 15 minus 9 times of 9 minus 15. You see here in this question we have there are two operations you can see in the statement. The first operation is negative or subtraction sign. The second operation is parentheses. So here according to this rule, we gives the first priority to the parentheses. It means that we first solve this parentheses term, and we have 15 minus 9 times 9 minus 15 becomes here minus 6. And now you see that again we have two operations, negative sign and multiplication, and we give the priority to the multiplication to solve this problem. So here first we need to multiply these two terms, and we have minus times minus becomes plus, and 9 times 6 becomes here 54. Okay, so here in the final step we just sum up both of these two values and we get our final answer. This is 5 plus 4 becomes 9, 1 plus 5 becomes here 6. This is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.